So here we have this Rubio Monocoat Oil Plus 2C. Now I've used this stuff a couple times on a countertop and cabinet faces, so let me give you a closer look at it. Alright, so that's how it comes right out of the package. There's a 100 milliliter bottle of the oil, and then a 30 milliliter bottle of the accelerator. This stuff is all natural, so it's perfectly safe to use on a countertop, and it smells really nice. Not sure what it reminds me of, maybe a green tea or something, but it just smells really natural. When you're ready to apply these, you want to mix about 3 parts of the oil and then 1 part of the accelerator. But if you're a little bit off, it's really not that big of a deal. It's just going to take a little bit longer or a little bit shorter for this stuff to dry. And they only require 1 coat of this stuff, but I do recommend putting 2 coats on because you will notice a sheen difference with the second coat and it seems like it'll be more durable. And it's really easy to apply. You just mix these together 3 to 1, then you wipe it on with a rag in small sections, then let it sit there for about 15 minutes and buff it off. And I also got these applicator pads to use with it, but I just ended up using a rag. And unlike other finishes like polyurethane, you really don't have to worry about dust as much with this stuff, which makes it a lot easier to apply in a small shop. Anyway, let me go show you what I put this stuff on. Alright, so this is my countertop. It's made of spruce wood, and I used the Rubio Monocoat Rustic Brown Pre-Color Easy, and then the Dark Oak Oil Plus 2C. I also used it on the front of these cabinets and drawers here. These are made of knotty alder, and I used the Dark Oak Oil here as well. And I had the counter with just 2 coats of the oil for about a month, but after about a month, I did end up putting Blacktail Studios N3 Nano Coating on top, which made it just a little bit shiny. Now, I'm not 100% satisfied with how it came out on the table here. It is definitely a bit more yellow than I thought it would be, but overall it looks alright and it's pretty durable, so I'm happy with it. But yeah, overall, besides the color, I'm pretty happy with this stuff. I would definitely recommend getting a few sample colors to test it out. You can get them in pretty small packs that do like a 1 foot by 1 foot square, and I definitely recommend doing that to make sure you're happy with the color.